happen on August 7 at an international hotel in Manila as Princess Alia's grand debut themed A Celebration of Grace and Dreams will bring together family, friends, and fellow artists for an elegant celebration. With Sparkle as the lead organizer, the evening will feature cherished debut traditions, live performances, and heartfelt moments worthy of the debutant's name. Kaya naman, thank you so much po from our friends from the media for joining us today. Your continued support means so much in this special moment with our debutant. And we'd also like to thank Sana Hotel for accommodating us today, this wonderful afternoon. Thank you so much for this very welcoming space that you have here with us. And to our valued event sponsors, we have Agape Gifts, Sana Hotel, Vertis North, and Sana Hotel BGC, Sam Manuel Styling, Event Body Production, and Flower Mama. And we also like to acknowledge the presence of our Sparkle executives and officers joining us this afternoon. We have Ms. Tracy Garcia, our Assistant Vice President for Talent Management. Thank you so much, Ms. Tracy. And we also have Ms. Rosh Guasan Chavez, our Senior Manager for PR Events and Digital. Thank you so much, Ms. Rosh, for joining us this afternoon. And for those capturing our heartfelt moments, our precious moments this afternoon, feel free to share them online using our official hashtag Princess Alia Chapter 18. And now, let's get to our very special moment. Let's get to know and welcome the debutante herself. From her unforgettable journey inside PBB Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0, where she emerged as the Kapuso fourth big placer, Princess Alia has continued to win viewers over with her sincerity, talent, and authenticity. Back in the outside world and flourishing as an actress-singer, she currently stars in the GMA Afternoon Prime series You're My Favorite Song and recently launched her debut single Amba under GMP Studios. Let's give a warm welcome to the Royal Songstress ng Bulacan, Sparkle artist and Kapuso fourth big placer, Princess Alia.
Hello po, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kumanta.
So stunning, so majestic. Let's give a warm hand to Princess Alia, everybody. And congratulations as well on this exciting milestone as you're going to turn 18.
Yes, 18.
And today we'll learn more about the preparations behind your dream debut, your inspirations, and what's ahead as you enter this new chapter. But before anything else, Princess, we have prepared a nice little surprise for you and in preparation for your special day, courtesy of Nice Pen Photography. So, without further ado, let's all first watch this special video. one man's Narsbet Photography for creating that majestic pre-debut video specifically made for your princess.
Actually, ngayon ko lang po siya nakita, so happy ako. Pero sabi ko, wala. Oh my gosh, ngayon mas excited na sa akin, magtete muna ako, malapit na.
And it's going to be majestic and royal and magical as you envision.
Yes po,
Alright, and with that, let's get down to business. Let's go over to our Q&A portion of today's media conference. So, let's start first with Pao Kanyamo as he asks your questions for your upcoming debut, Princess.
Hello, Princess.
Hello po.
Advance happy birthday.
Thank you so much po. Thank you din po sa pag-
After the PBB, kasi sobrang busy mo ngayon.
Yes po.
Di ba meron kang You're My Favorite Song, and ngayon, magtitibo ka na. How's life?
Well, life naman po, actually super blessed ko po talaga ngayon. Lalo na po after PBB, paglabas po namin, lahat po talaga na pinangarap ko and like parang na-envision ko dati nasa loob ng bahay, nagkakatotoo po talaga. Unti-unting nagkakatotoo dito sa labas. And of course po, mas nadagdagan po ako ng mga taong sumusuporta sa akin, nagmamahal po sa akin. So, and ayun nga din po, may blessing din po sa akin yung YMFS kasi isa din po yun sa pangarap namin nung nasa loob ng bahay.
Pero ikaw ba yung type of debutant na very hands-on sa pag-aayos na ngayon, especially sa 18th birthday mo?
Actually po, last month ko lang po talaga ito plinano kasi sabi ko, ayaw po talaga mag-debut. Pero sabi kasi nila, once in a lifetime lang to. So, ngayon po talaga, medyo stressful yung preparation kasi halos less than a month away na lang po. Pero gusto ko talaga sa debut ko, very hands-on ako. So, as much as possible, sa gown ko, sa styling, everything po, ako po talaga nag-plan.
So, last question. So, are we expecting yung mga fellow PBB mo na may invite din dito sa 18th birthday?
Siyempre naman po, since isa po sila talaga sa mga naging importante din po talaga sa akin in my life before I turn 18, invited po silang lahat. And sana naman makapunta sila kasi busy na din po kasi silang lahat. So ngayon pa nga lang hindi na kami nakapag-hangout. Pero sana nandun sila sa birthday.
Thank you, and happy
Thank you
birthday.
po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pao Kanyamo. Up next, we have Mr. John Bueno from Humagao.
Hi, Princess.
Hello po.
First of all, congratulations on your 18th birthday.
Thank you.
Aside from that, you're doing music. Can you tell us, like, what are the plans now that you are part of also GMV? Can you tell us more about that?
Okay po. Actually po, yung collaboration po with Viva and GMA, nalaman ko po siya before pa. And sobrang, this year lang din po in-announce yung collaboration nila. So I'm very grateful po that I'm one of the artists na napili po nila for that. And kasama din po nun is pag-release din po ng album ko, which is, yun din po yung collab nila, yung GMV. And yung AMBA naman po, nalaman ko na siya before last year pa po, pero this year ko lang din po na-record. So, ayun po. Madami po kayong dapat abangan doon. Pero bawal ko pa po i-spoil.
Alright. Well, we've been listening to Amba the whole morning. Napaka-catchy niya.
Thank you
And
po.
very pop princess-like. Is that the packaging that you're also envisioning for yourself?
Well, actually yes po. Gusto ko po kasi talaga bukod sa pagiging actress is to be a total performer po. Since doon naman po talaga ako nag-start sa pagkakanta. So yun po yung gusto ko na mas ma-highlight po yung pagkanta ko and syempre po yung pagsayaw ko din.
Okay. You have had several singles out previously, but it was with other artists.
Yes,
no, na kinanta mo. But this one, specifically for you, which is Amba, can you tell us how you made this particular single? Paano yung pag-create niya? Can you tell us more about that?
Well, actually po, ang sinabi lang po kasi talaga sa akin is magkaka-single po ako. And sabi nila, gusto nila yung single na yun is ma-highlight pa rin yung pagka-youthful, yung very, ayun nga po, pop, may parang pop princess, yung parang inaano nila sa akin. So, so making po ng AMA, like yung mismong pag-produce po nun, hindi po ako involved. Pero like, nung napakinggan ko naman po, sobrang natuwa po ako kasi yun din po yung na-envision ko as my first single.
Who wrote it, by the way?
Sino daw po nagsulat ng AMBA? Sorry, hindi ko po
Baka secret pa for now.
Opo.
Alright. Well, congratulations and also on your future music. No?
Yes.
Kasi may plans sila sa'yo. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, John Bueno from Bumaka for asking away, Princess. Let's move forward to Miss Kate Adehar from Random Republica.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello po.
Nabanggit mo kanina na nung una ayaw mo mag-celebrate to. Anong dahilan behind that?
Well, kasi po, ako po talaga, ayoko nang masyadong grand birthday parties. Gusto ko lang po talaga mag-travel. Actually po, gusto ko mag-travel sa Europe. Kasi gusto ko, sabi ko, gusto ko yung parang maranasan ko ng prinsesa. Pwede po sa Europe, maraming mga gano'n. Tapos gusto ko lang din kasama ko family ko. Pero sabi ko nga po kanina, mas nadagdagan din po kasi yung family ko outside of my family. So gusto ko po ma-celebrate to with them.
And may magbabago ba sa'yo sa rules ng parents mo ngayon na mag-18 ka na?
Sana po mas, nandiyan si Mami. Siguro less stricter. Kasi right now, syempre, bantay sarado. And ako din po kasi yung bunso talaga. So feeling ko wala din masyadong magbabago in terms of sa ano nila. Pero happy naman po ako sa okay.
Meron bang women na, older women you look up to? Yun. Ngayon na, you'll be presented as a woman.
Actually po, since PBB, sinasabi ko na po talaga to, mommy ko po talaga ang aking role model and inspiration. Wow, wag kang iiyak, mommy. Pero ayun po, now that I'm turning 18, mas gusto ko po talaga na mas maging responsible like her, mas maging strong pa po like her.
And last na, you're known for singing, no? Ano yung parang song of the moment mo ngayong mag-18 ka na? Pero pwede ba kami makarinig ng few lines?
Hindi ako nag-prepare. Ano ba pwede?
Off the top of your head na. Kung ano yung...
Feeling ko bagay yung This Girl Is On Fire. Sample. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Wala pang mali. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Kate Adehar from Random Republica for asking away, and also to Princess Day for giving us an awesome sample of Girl on Fire. Now, let's move on to Miss Angelica Villanueva.
Hello, Princess. First of all, advance happy birthday. Video baby ka din pala. Since you'll be turning 18, no? Pero kanina napakita sa atin ng video, yung different side of Princess Adi. Isang fierce, tapos isa medyo princess. So, after turning 18, ano yung image or side mo ang gusto mo makita ng fans mo?
Siguro po, since before, ang ano talaga nila sa akin is parang baby girl, parang soft girl, ganun, demure. Ngayon naman po na mag-18 ako, mas gusto ko pong ipakita yung side na napakita ko kahit paano sa PBB na she's very independent, she's very strong, parang yun po, strong woman na. Pero at the same time, syempre gusto ko pa rin makip yung image ko na sweet. Ayoko na po kasi parang mag-cage sa isang parang personality. Gusto ko po is mas madami pa silang makikitang side ko. So,
In terms of career naman, anong gusto mo munang i-pursue? Yung medyo kontrabida ba? Or medyo like yung mabait naman? Kasi dito sa my favorite song, medyo nagkakaroon ka na ng character development.
gusto ko po talaga sa mga roles ko is yung versatile, yung hindi po parang inaapi palagi. Gusto ko din po mag-try maging kontrabida o kaya action or thriller, ganun po. So, ayan, hopefully po when I turn 18, mas ma-explore ko po yung craft ko na yun.
After turning 18 naman, what are you most excited about on becoming an 18-year-old lady?
Siguro po, makapag-drive mag-isa. Bukod po doon, mas maging responsible po. Kasi syempre, I'm going to turn into an adult very soon po. So, siguro mas magiging hands-on ako sa sarili ko in terms of my opinions, decisions, sa akin po magagaling. Kasi syempre, when you're still a minor, madami pa pong like parents ko, yung ano. Pero for na, ngayon na mag-18 ako, it's more of my responsibility. No?
Last na lang from me, no? What's your birthday wish?
My birthday wish, sana, syempre po, good health for my family, and of course, mas mag-blossom pa po yung career ko this year.
Thank you and
So,
congratulations,
Princess.
Princess.
Thank you very much, Miss Angelica Villanueva from Manila Standard. Up next, we have Mr. Romel Gonzalez from PEP.
Hi, Princess. First, happy birthday.
Thank you so
And then,
much.
ang una kong tanong, pwede ka bang mag-share ng a few details of debut mo? Like, sino yung mga celebrities sa 18 Roses, 18 Candles, sino ang last dance mo?
Actually, dami din po nagtatanong sa akin na sino-sino last dance ko, sinong escort. Pero, mga in-invite ko po, syempre nandun po yung BBB housemates po, yung mga nakatrabaho ko po yung before sa mga shows ko, sa Royal Blood, sina Sir Ding Dong po, sina Miss Megan, hopefully sa Forever Young po, sina Sir Alfred. And yung mga nakatrabaho ko pa po before. Pero right now po, nagpa-finalize pa din po ako kung sino yung mga kasama sa 18s ko.
Can you name yung mga iba sa PBB na iimbitahan mo?
Actually, lahat po sila.
Yung batch na?
Yung batch po na.
And then my next question, Princess, is since 18 ka na, sino si Princess ngayong 18 na hindi siya noong bata pa?
Siguro po si Princess ngayon is more, parang she's more of a woman na. Kaysa sa, kasi dati po, di ba, very baby girl, very ano. Ngayon naman po, mas gusto kong ipakita yung mas mature side ni Princess. While still, parang nandun pa rin po yung youthfulness ko, syempre.
And next question ko, Princess, lagi natin tinatanong to sa mga magagandang tulad mo. May plano ka bang sumali ng beauty pageant? At saan kung sakali?
Ay! Well, actually, sa lahat po kasi tinatanong talaga ako kung magpa-beauty queen daw po. Of course, I'm not closing my doors po. If the opportunity comes, syempre po, I might consider. Pero for now, wala pa po siya sa isip ko.
Sino idol mong beauty queen?
Si Ate Catriona po talaga or si Ate Pia po.
Ayun. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday, Princess.
Thank you very much, Mr. Romel Gonzalez from PEP. Following Mr. Romel, we have Mr. Rick Gallardo of Business Mirror.
Hello, Iha.
Hello po.
Jump off tayo from the beauty pageant question. If you were to spend an entire day with a princess, a real life princess, a princess from the fairy tale, or somebody named Princess, who would you like to spend a whole day with and why?
Like, a princess po.
A princess, pwedeng princess sa totoong buhay, pwedeng patay na, pwedeng princess sa fairy tale, pwedeng princess ang pangalan.
Siguro po, since mahilig talaga ako sa mga Disney princesses, I choose po si Rapunzel. Kasi parang sa story niya, si Rapunzel, di ba, her whole life, parang kulong siya sa isang lugar, she doesn't know kung ano yung life outside of that. So, gusto niya mag-explore, gusto niya makita, mas malaman pa yung sarili niya. So, siguro po, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya. In some way, now na mag-18 na ako, mas gusto ko pa po kasi talaga makilala si Princess outside of, syempre, opinions ng ibang tao. Kasi kahit pa paano po, lumaki din ako sa showbiz talaga. So, gusto ko pong makilala siya outside of showbiz, like sa studies, sa iba pong aspeto ng buhay.
And speculative lang, in the future, if you happen to meet a real life prince, no? Tapos mag-in love ka, pero ang condition is iiwan mo ang show business. How would you face that situation?
Well, syempre po for now, hindi ko po masasabi talaga kung anong gagawin ko. Pero kasi po talaga, ang promise ko po sa sarili ko, and of course sa parents ko din po, is wala po talagang lalaki na makakasira sa career na pinaghirapan ko pong buuin kasama yung mga taong tumulong po sa akin doon. So, sana po yung magiging future partner ko is supportive po siya sa career ko.
You've never had a boyfriend.
Never pa po.
Don't rush.
Yes.
You have the entire world, before you.
Yes. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ricky Gallardo from Business Mirror, and thank you so much to our dearest members for asking away, sharing your questions for our dear princess as she prepares for her 18th birthday, aka her debut in the next few weeks. And thank you very much as well, princess, for sharing your stories with us, and may we invite you to stand up for a quick photo op with our dearest members of the press. And let me also take this opportunity as well to acknowledge the composers and arrangers of your single Amba. So the composer for Amba is by Roel Rostata, and it's arranged by Thayo Alfaro, by